Ouch. It helps to have help. Should have him out of here pretty quick. Back on the road. My tarp's ruined, so we gotta load a little light. Pipe broke on it and twisted it up and ripped it. So we had 2 cartloads, and he'll pick up one load off the combine here, and he should be full. Works out pretty good. Finally, I gotta get out and go pee. Man, I've heard other people have this problem too. Where the heck's the bathroom? Oh, over here. Alright, well, getting ready for the day again here, or half a day. It's Sunday, so really open for a few hours today, but trying to keep this old thing going. Broke down about 5 or 6 times yesterday, which is aggravating. Little stuff, but the stupid spreader's been plugging up with cobs. When this is spinning around, you get a cob stuck in between there. I got this piece in there, but it still hasn't been, I don't know, number of corn I'm in right now or something. It's got different cobs. It's just been plugging up, and burned the belt up on the rail pump last night, so it's coming off. Return chain, that broke once yesterday. Let's see. This belt, sometimes you get a cob. I think some of the time it's from that flinging around, but get a cob up in here and it'll knock this belt off. And then sometimes when it knocks that one off, then it knocks the other one off that is tightened kind of with, or tension with that one. Let's see what else. There was something else on this side. Can't remember what it was now, but busted the feeder house chain link, and one of the slats was found a fill cultivator shank. So that was a nice how do you do. So yeah, I don't know, every day it's always something, but yesterday was especially bad. So anyways, got it greased. Need to blow the air filters out and maybe clean my windows off a little bit and vacuum my cab, check the oil. Actually, it needs the oil changed in it. I think it's got 148 hours on it, so probably need to change it maybe tonight or something. But anyways, just that's a little bit of some of the morning routine, I guess, trying to keep this old junk going. This variety is a little different. You can really see the ears coming in the head. Makes it a little more fun. Nice big ears. Not all that girthy, but they're long. Pretty good corn. I forgot to push my auto steer button. I think it's on.